With 6 points advantage for this first set.
Catarado setting up Savvy. Off speed. Easy for Petrogas. Wow! There's a matchup that we have been anticipating.
And that was her first point for this game. Take a look at that.
Oh, that was a tough serve. A floater.
And they score.
That's a point.
Take a look at that again. Targeting short ball. Layo.
LDT high-speed hitters. Well, of course, top of the list is bagging the win since last game na nga nila ito for the year. They wanna end on a high note para ma-enjoy talaga ang pahinga at maganda ang pasok.
Vansicle taking care of that one. She goes for the hit and across court. 21 for Brooke.
21
for Petrogas.
That was a good first ball, but sa kanya sinet ni
Blockers, and it has been a non-factor for them, at least in the last couple of sets.
Yeah. Quick side out for Petrogas. So far, Vansicle, basta nasa front row siya, madami din siya nakukuhang puntos.
To see if it gets it ahead of Myla Pablo, no problem. But Carado with a good first ball. Here's a chance for Petrogas. Are they going to get this third set? That's what Vansicle wants, and that's what she gets.
Yeah, too easy na dumating sa Petrogas yung bola. So, usually papaluin mo na lang ng malakas yun. But soft hit works well.
Vansicle going full force for that one.
Si Brooke at si Davison parehong madalas sineseta ng mga set.
Oh, floater. Good first ball by Savvy.
Santos.
But a quick read there.
25-12 for PLDT naman, for those of you who missed it. Uy!
Again.
Ganda naman nun.
Yeah. But Majoy attempted to get that one. But yun na nga, hindi na.
So talagang matira-matibay dito. Fatigue and the longevity and the fresh legs, lahat yan kailangan i-consider ng mga teams.
Uy! Single block. Take a look at that reverse set. But guarding that cross